Let's learn some colors. Red color, red color. Light green color, light green color. Orange color, orange color. Purple color, purple color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Red color. A for apple, A for apple. B for banana, B for banana. C for car, C for car. D for dog, D for dog. E for eagle, E for eagle. F for fish, F for fish. Purple color. G for grapes, G for grapes. H for hen, H for hen. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite, K for kite. L for lion, L for lion. Yellow color. M for mouth, yellow color. N for nest, N for nest. O for owl, O for owl. P for peacock, P for peacock. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rainbow, R for rainbow. Blue color. S for sheep. T for train, T for train. U for umbrella, blue color. V for van. W for water. X for X-ray, X for X-ray. Light green color. Y for yak. Z for zoo, Z for zoo. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आपने अभी तक ये वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया है तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और रेड कलर का बटन दबा के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक बाय बाय।